In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make custom hover effect in Wix. The first thing I want you to do is to head over to your Wix editor and go to your hover box. In my case, as you can see, I've got my hover box right here and I have got my regular and a hover view right here with some social media icons in the middle. What I want you to do to create your own custom hover effect is go to the hover section of your hover box, and then I want you to go to choose effect right here on top. Once you've done that, I want you to go for combo here. Don't go for glow, shrink, or any of those. Although you can also click on them and customize them to your liking. I want you to go to combo because combo allows you to pretty much do anything to your hover effect. As you can see, you can scale it if you want to, just like that. You can rotate it if you want to. You can apply horizontal skew if you want to. You can do vertical skew, and then you can also apply effect relative to this point right here, which pretty much gives you complete control over how you want your hover effect to play out. Here we can also keep proportions if you'd like to. You can also disable them, which will give you a little bit more freedom as well. And yeah, once we exit out of it, I know it's going to look super ugly once you actually hover over it, but I just wanted to give you an idea of how you can create a custom hover effect in Wix. As you can see, it is kind of like glitching out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make custom hover effect in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.